Bok svima. Today we're going to have a look at the locative case in Croatian. We're going to have a look at the locative masculine and feminine singular. It answers the question gdje, where. Now in the feminine singular, a changes to I. Kuća, house, changes to kući. Ja sam u kući. I am in the house. Ja sam am in kući, the house. Kuća, house, u kući, in the house. Let's look at škola, school. In the school, u školi. Ja sam u školi. I am in the school. Škola changes to u školi, in the school. Let's look at the masculine singular. That ends in a consonant. Park. Park is the same in Croatian, but if you are in the park, we add a U. U parku. Ja sam u parku. I am in the park. Let's look at another masculine singular noun. Vrt, garden. U vrtu, in the garden. Ja sam u vrtu. I am in the garden. Let's look at another masculine singular noun. Grad, city. But if I'm in the city, it's u gradu. Ja sam u gradu. With the feminine, a changes to I. Kuća changes to u kući, in the house. Ja sam u kući or u kući sam, same thing. Park, masculine changes to u parku. Ja sam u parku, I am in the park, or u parku sam, same thing. So today we looked at the Croatian locative, masculine and feminine singular nouns. You did great, odlično. See you next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe.